Why you bad romance? I want you to see. Turn it off. You better go there. Turn in the front, big girl. You look like Brianna Lloyd from I want your loving, I want your revenge. You and me cried a bad romance. Your tits are falling out. Humpback. Get the humpback out of here. Hey Betsy. Hey Betsy. Betsy, you want a cigarette now? Caught in a bad romance. Here's your cigarette. Here's your cigarette. Fashion baby. Fashion baby. Hey fat bitch, you lost your cigarette. Look at that, she can't even stand up. She can't even bend over while falling. Are you gonna fall over? She's fucking rolling. I'm gonna piss my fucking pants. Oh. Oh my god. How do you feel right now, Betsy? Betsy, how do you feel right now? Can you get up? Roll over, get your big fat. Watch out, bad romance.